Namaste. The Thunderbolt Breath Program. It's a very powerful program to reverse a condition called ED, erectile dysfunction. Many young men, almost at the age of 40, 45, sometimes even younger, definitely by 50, 55, many people get affected by what is called erectile dysfunction. What happens is, due to the stresses that have built up in life and so on, one's erections become very weak, or not strong enough, or they don't last long enough. They can be very embarrassing, and of course it leads to a great loss of confidence and so on. But there are many other issues connected with the ED situations. So the ED reversal program, the Thunderbolt Breath program, is a very, very powerful program. What it aims to do is to reverse the condition without any medication, without any kind of external intervention, simply through breath. Now please understand that the breath is a very, very powerful thing. Unfortunately, it's largely misunderstood, not understood, ignored, taken for granted. We need to change that. In the program, in the Thunderbolt Breath program, you learn various breathing techniques that travel all the way down to the Mooladhara and so on. Because most of the times the ED happens because there are blockages here, especially in the belly region, underbelly region and so on. When there are blockages here, the energy does not flow there. If the energy does not flow there, the organs do not get what they should from the breath and the energy in the breath. The ED program, the Thunderbolt Breath program, seeks to reverse this by doing certain breath work and exercises. And one of the things we do is what I call the Thunderbolt Breath. In the Thunderbolt Breath, we do some very intensive breathing, but it follows a lot of preparation. And one of it is you breathe straight into your Swadhisthana. Just to demonstrate a little, it's similar to Kapalbhati, but it's not the same, because here you are pushing breath straight into the Swadhisthana. But before we do that, we have to do a lot of cleansing to ensure that the breath is able to move there. Most times people cannot even do that. So that is what the Thunderbolt Breath program seeks to do, and get you back on track. Within a few weeks, you should be doing very well. You'll have your morning erections back. In most cases, if you're able to do the program, if you're able to follow the instructions given and practice regularly, I will not say I guarantee it, but it's pretty much certain that within a few weeks, you'll get the mojo back, as they say. Welcome to the ED program, the Thunderbolt Breath program. ED reversal program, I'm sorry. The Thunderbolt Breath.